Hello viewers, welcome to Simply Sketching channel. Today we will be looking a first of digital sketching of Mr. Ratan Tata. Born on 28 December of 1937, he was an Indian industrialist and philanthropist. He served as chairman of Tata Group and Tata Sons from 1991 to 2012, and he held the position of interim chairman from October 2016 to February 2017. He received the Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan, which are the third highest and second highest civilian honor in India. He is well known for his various philanthropist efforts. In fact, during his day of death, that is 9th October 2024, I was in Mumbai and my taxi driver told me that it was because of Tata that many people were able to feed their stomach during the COVID period, as Tata used to give free food and medicine to many of them. I hope you do like the sketch. Please do enjoy. Like, share and subscribe the channel.